Hey, it's Mark Lanier. I'm a trial lawyer. I try cases all over the country, actually kind of all over the world. I am a chess player as well. And I want to talk about the recent scandal that has rocked the chess world concerning the allegations that Hans Niemann may have cheated in the Sinquefield Cup in his match against Magnus Carlsen. And Magnus has not gone vocal on it, though he did just resign a game after one move against Hans. Magnus quit the Sinquefield Cup. Magnus is one of the greatest chess players in the history of the world, and yet he's doing this, and the best he's got to comment on it is simply a video reference to Jose Mourinho saying that he can't talk about it lest he be in trouble. And so now you've got the kibitzers, the chess analysts who are commenting on this. You've got the world-class chess analysts, Hikaru Nakamura, most notably, and others. And you've got the popular chess analysts, Levy and others. And all of them are saying that there may be some legal implication to this or that or this or that. I want to talk about it as a lawyer. I want to talk about what the legal implication is, because people need to understand before they trash someone's reputation or before they rightfully indict someone what you are and what you aren't supposed to be able to say. The law is very clear. In America, you are entitled to free speech. You can say what you would like to say, but you are not entitled to libel or slander someone. I can't accuse someone of something in an absolute sense of saying he did this and this or she did that in a way that affects their reputation and harms or damages them. But that does not preclude me from saying something that is A, factually true, or B, is an opinion statement. And as long as it's clearly designated an opinion statement. So we were taught in law school, in any type of a libel or slander case, truth is an absolute defense. In other words, if you are saying something that is true, you have no need to fear of a lawsuit against you for slandering someone. You're allowed to say the truth. Now, for some people, the truth is an opinion that they want to express. Then what they need to do is they need to say very clearly, I have an opinion. My opinion is that ... And as long as it's being couched as an opinion, and you are clearly saying that it is your opinion, you can give that opinion and you can give those reasons. So if Magnus Carlsen believes that Hans Niemann was cheating in the chess game, Magnus is fully within his American rights to say, I withdrew from the Sinquefield Cup because I believed that Hans Niemann had cheated. I can't prove it. I don't know if it's to be true, but I believe it because of so-and-so, so-and-so. And that is my opinion. Only my opinion. Now, if that's Magnus's opinion, Magnus ought to be able to say that. Nobody should hide behind this cloak of, I might get sued. I mean, Hikaru Nakamura made reference to the fact on a recent posting that he'd already been threatened with a lawsuit. Well, if you are merely giving your opinion and you label it as your opinion, you don't have to fear that. You can say that. So I just think that we've got a situation now where everybody is allowed innuendo and everybody's allowed to say things without saying things, and nobody's going to give their reasons, and and you wind up running the risk of trashing a young fella's reputation wrongfully. If you've got reasons to believe somebody did something wrong, it's okay to state those. If you've got an opinion as to whether or not someone did something wrong, you're allowed to say that. Magnus is allowed to say that, and so is everybody else. But they've always got to state it as an opinion. Nobody can say something as fact. That's where that line is legally, 9 times out of 10. Obviously, consult your own lawyer for what you want to say, or give me an email or a call and I'll be glad to talk to you more. But let's get clarity on this situation. People quit hiding behind the veil of, I don't want to get in legal trouble here. Just make it clear you're saying your opinion and then state it. Give the reasons for it. Don't treat some fella harshly without justification. That's Mark Lanier. You Google me if you want to know whether I know what I'm talking about or not. I think I got more verdicts in this country on this stuff than any other lawyer you're going to be hearing to, certainly that plays chess anyway. So that's my 2 cents. Links below if you want to get a hold of me. Thanks.